this week's video, I present you my frog keychain made on the 22 needle knitting machine. First we will cast on by starting by the black needle, one in the front, one in the back for the first row. If it's your first visit here, you will see all the numbers you need on the screen during video. As you could see right now, I see 28 rows. 28 rows. Now it's time to cast off. To cast off, I will open the yarn feeder, do a 360 around with the machine to release all the stitches, and then I will pick up one by one each stitch with the tip of my wool needle between the two red teeth. See, I did a 360, so that's way it will release it from the machine. When the needle who carry your tail of yarn get up, you stop cranking, and then you start taking one by one all those little stitch. Be careful not to lose any. If you're a beginner, drop stitch is not fun to fix, but when you get used to it, you'll be comfortable. So this video could be made with beginners or any people that already made a lot of projects, no problem. So I pick up all of it and crank it for the rest. So I put that aside before I stretch it. Now I'll continue with the eyes. The same thing, I will cast on starting by the black needle, one in the front, one in the back for the first row. And in this case, I will need 8 rows. So 2 eyes, so I will do that twice. So 2 times 8 rows. So I crank. When I reach the 8 rows, I remove it from the yarn feeder, do a 360, and then I will cut the yarn and pick up all the stitches after the tail of yarn that was pulled with the needle of the machine. So I put my finger close so that way I won't lose any stitches. So now we are doing an eye. So crank it to remove the rest of the stitches. Oops, almost lose one. So I will put that aside and stretch it for later. So now it's time to close both sides of the tube. So I will pull on the tail of yarn and go on the other side doing the same thing, and I will secure it with a double knot. Tight, and attach those two together will create a half circle. That's what I need for the eye of the frog. So I do that twice, and I will go and do the head. Same thing, I will start with closing one side of the tube, and then I will go to the other side. Very important to close it right. There, and I stretch it again and pull. With the wool needle, I will go and do a double knot. Stretch it, pull, and then I will find the middle on one side and middle of the other side, and join the other tail and attach those two together, and then I will stretch it a little bit like this, and with the wool needle I will go to get one half of the stitch, and I will do all the border of it. Just grab one half, skip one half, skip one. I will do that. Why I just take half of it, it's to prevent to get all stuck in one spot when I will pull on it. it gives more room. So now it's time to add the stuffing. The stuffing I just put a little bit at a time. It'll look a lot, but it's not. You know, it's fluffy, so I just put a little bit at a time, so that way it will give a very nice round shape for the head. So add a little bit by little bit. Push it with your little finger. Then you pull the tail, and when you think you got enough, push it in the middle. And if you see like a little bit of stuffing like this, just take a pen, push it in like this, and then you grab back your wool needle. That's a little tip to fix the hole. And you go around it, and when you will pull on it, it will close tight, so you won't see any more stuffing. There. Do a double knot, and voila, it's gone. So now I will continue by adding all those little tail of yarn. There. It's nice and round. Just what I need. Another tail to add. But it didn't take a lot of time. You could do that in less than an hour, even if you're newbies. If you take your time and you listen the video correctly, I think you'll be able to. There, I did, and I'll share with you how I attach the button, the mushroom button, to create the eyes. Like this. Just go in, put it on, and I will resew it. And I want to get your attention on this. If it's for kids, no button, because it's could be a choking hazard. You don't want any kids to be in trouble because of your button. So if you plan to give that to somebody who have small kids, just make this with a felt or a white yarn and black and sewing it on it. But I use the mushroom button for this one because I have it on my desk. So now with the gray, pale color, go just as I go like this and go around. If you don't like it, you don't have to. Me, I just did that to like give more attention on the eye, but you don't have to. So just go around it just like this, nothing fancy, just like this. And then I will do the same thing to the other eyes. Voila! I will attach it soon. So I will redo it a little bit because I have a gap between the sewing. So I will go and just go around it, smaller. Go in and out. Go in and out. If you watch the video on the screen of your TV, can you add a heart in the comment, please, just to let me know? Because lately I noticed that a lot of people are watching my video on their screen, TV screen. So maybe it's because my video are not short, a little bit longer. It's more comfortable to watch it from your living room. I don't know. So I already sew one eye, and I will show how to with the other one. So just gonna fix it to prepare. there, and I will go and attach it on the middle. It's more secure, it's stronger where I closed the tube earlier. So it's a nice spot to start sewing your eye. So when you sew your eye, you have to find a collar and stick on it, and you will sew along that collar. So that way your eye will be on the same side, not side, but the good place to be. Well, sometimes I'm looking for my words and it's hard. I'm French and I'm talking to myself during the record of this. There, so I go in front, I grab a full stitch on the head and a full stitch on the eyes. There, and go in the middle, and I will continue around it. We're almost finished. The video is 13 minutes. We are at 11, so that's good. If you're still here, I'm happy. So we'll go around it like this, and when it's secure enough, I will go and close it with a double knot like I do every time. So those two eyes are okay. So I go and on the back, so you could see on the back how it looks when I do the sewing. There, and back in front. I don't know why I did it twice, but it's okay. I want it to be secure. There, and going to attach it here. Just like this. Hey, cute little face. I like it. It's a kind of project when you're done, you put a little smile in your face. It's one of those. So I will do the mouth now. Cut the excess. All it's need, it is a mouth. For the mouth, oh no, sorry. I forgot that I fixed the eyes. It was missing a little gray around the eyes. When I sew it, it go inside so we don't see it. So we'll redo it. Sorry. I was talking about the mouth and suddenly it's happened to be the eyes again. Sorry for that. Odd things happen. There. And got it. Now I will go and add the mouth. For the mouth, I will go on the side with red yarn. But if you have orange or corail or gray or black, it will be just fine. So I will go and go across it inside, and then I will go down in the middle, grab the yarn, and that will create a little V. So I will go in the same exact stitch that when I start, and I will go and do a little double knot. Not too tight, because I do a double knot, it won't be any trouble to fix it. There, and I will go inside of it. And voila, hope you enjoyed this little video. If it was your first visit, thank you so much to stay till the end. And for the old and precious subscriber, thank you so much to be there every week. Ciao, ciao. For those of you who are not subscribed yet, don't forget to do it, so that way you won't miss any new video and free that I do every week. So see you next week. And never give up, there's always a way.